Hello all traders, today is Friday 31st of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFD contracts. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day high and retested this level few times during the Asian session, and during the London session it started to go up. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price continued to go up and found a resistance level here and retested this level few times and bounced back. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when we have a deeper pullback here, we take long positions in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 11:45 when I came back, the price had a deep pullback here and retesting this level of support and was getting rejected few times here, as you see by the shadows. So I entered here 2 long positions on Nasdaq with setup B that needs wider stop, and also 2 micro contracts of S&P and later 2 E-mini contracts here at the same time, again with setup B. And all these trades were closed when we reached the resistance level here at this point with profit. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of the accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, as we had 100% win rate from the 6 long positions taken. And you can see that the average winning trades were 288 and the largest winning trade was $490. So that was the summary of the trades we have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. And on the CFD prop firm accounts, and I came back later afternoon, the price was in this area, retesting the area of the support here on Nasdaq, and on Dow Jones also reached the previous day low, and S&P 500. So these are the list of trades here that you see. We took 11 long positions on Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq. All was positive with one small loss here. So with these trades, we reached total profit of $70.10 and a profit factor of 3.17. This shows the equity curve of the account. So compared to yesterday, we gain about $10 today, which is equivalent to $600 on the 300K futures account. This shows the distribution of instruments and the trades that we have taken on S&P 500, Dow Jones and Nasdaq CFDs. So from the 116 total trades we have taken so far, we had 95 winners, which resulted in about 82% win rate. And this shows the equity curve that is growing consistently with the percentage of drawdown. And with today's trades, we had no drawdown, and the total drawdown of the account is less than 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the 5% daily loss requirement by the prop firm account on the last second stage of this challenge. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small 5K CFD prop firm account is useful for you. And let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.